Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A7 side mirror. This easy method focuses on replacing the mirror glass or outer cap. You will need a plastic pry tool, a flathead screwdriver, and a T10 Torx screwdriver. Always work carefully to avoid damaging delicate plastic clips. Patience is key, especially when dealing with automotive components. Let's get started with the first step. First, use your mirror control button to tilt the glass as far up as it can go. This creates space to access the bottom edge. Gently insert a plastic pry tool about 1/2 inch under the bottom of the mirror. Apply steady, firm pressure to release the clips, then carefully pull the glass away. Remember to disconnect any attached electrical connectors, such as those for heated or auto-dimming mirrors, before fully removing the glass. With the mirror glass removed, you can now access the mirror cap. Look for 2 clips that secure the top half of the mirror shell. Press these clips inward to release them. Gently wiggle the cap to free it from the housing. If your mirror has an integrated turn signal, carefully unplug its electrical connector before completely removing the cap. Some models may have a hidden clip behind the mirror adjuster, requiring a T10 Torx screw removal. To put everything back together, simply reverse the steps. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached before snapping the mirror glass back into place. For those needing to remove the entire side mirror housing, please note this is a more involved process. It typically requires removing the interior door panel to access and unbolt the 3 mounting screws. Always double-check your work for secure fitment and proper function.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.